Alright guys, I'm Ashley Moore. I'm the 4-H program assistant with the McCory County Extension Service. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dancing spotter. Start out with a porcelain plate, an Expo dry erase marker, and have a cup of room temperature water just sitting on hand. This guy, he's really interested in finding out how to make a dancing spotter. Just draw your spotter. And they have 8 legs. And you take your water that you got sitting to the side, and you just pour it in there. And watch them come to life. Just like that.